Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Canva versus card.com video, and we're going to show you guys what you can do through each one of them and what are the differences. Now let me just show you one thing about card.co. What it does mostly, it is allows you to have an website, like any sort of online website, where you can show, like, if someone comes over here, this is what it shows as the main image, and if they click on this image it takes them to another page, things like that. And you can decorate it. As you can see, all of these are very much uh customized. You can customize them to make any sort of image. If they click any of the images, it takes them to different videos, things like that. Like, as you can see, I think the name of my car.co is editorial adventure card.co, if I'm not wrong. Let's give it a shot. Okay, it's not this one. I forgot what is uh the website. If I click on, okay, if I click on view site, this is, there you go, editorialadventure.card.co. This is the website. If I click on about me, it takes me to any of the pages, and as you can see, it just loads up different things that have been inside the website. So this is card.co is basically a simple website where you can put things about yourself. What is Canva? In Canva, you can make any documents. It's a whiteboard. You can create presentation. You can make social media videos. You can even create a website, which is a very new thing that they have just added. But another good thing about Canva is that they automatically put so many, you know, things already that you can just take from them. You don't have to create anything from scratch if you don't want to. Let's say you want a thumbnail, right? Then you just search for thumbnail right over here. As you can see, these are all free thumbnails. This one is very nice. If I click on customize, you can literally start using this one by, you can like even change, let's say, subscribe, something like that. You can even adjust it to however you want to. So in simple words, card.co is a website where you can create only one page site, and Canva is something where you can make any sort of design, any sort of edit. You want to make a social media post, you want to make a thumbnail, any sort of things. As you can see, you can even make YouTube thumbnails, documents, all of these, even presentations. They have tons of things, and there are already pre-made templates over here that you can choose from. So card is one page site, and the things that you're going to put inside card, let's say you want a fancy image, where do you want to edit those images? You want to edit them from Canva, because you have so many options. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.